mission is just so simple, and that it's nurturing families to live out their dreams.
El Futuro, we are a mental health clinic. We serve the Durham area as well as surrounding Triangle, and we're hoping to expand across North Carolina as well as Siler City. We have a clinic there as well.
We only give clinical services to people who are Medicare, Medicaid, or who do not have insurance. So it's very much targeted towards populations that would not otherwise be able to get this type of care. Healthcare is not accessible to this population, this demographic in the United States right now. And so I think that's kind of what spurred my passion for doing the internship here and then hopefully going on to provide the same source of care.
Durham is a mix of cultures and people, and the Latina population in Durham is is continuously growing, and so has the need for mental health. We get a lot of referrals from schools, from doctors that also see that need for mental health here in Durham, and that is how we are able to connect with them.
When you go further into the organization, it's all about taking care of yourself as a whole. So your mental health, but that's including your physical well-being, your mental well-being, your social well-being, and I think what really caught my eye to this place is that it's such a home feeling. Like my first day when I walked in the doors, I was like, this is where I want to be.
We are so grateful to have people like Sarah come to our organization and be able to help us reach more people with our mission and what we do at El Futuro. One of the best ways to get connected at El Futuro is through volunteering.
Going into this experience, I knew that I wanted to gain as much background as possible with working with diverse groups of people, because I hope to be a social worker someday, and I want to make sure that the care that I give is responsible and for the populations that I'm serving. And so this is a great foundation and base work for me, and then I'll continue with this internship over the next few months until I graduate to keep building on that.
We are always looking for volunteers to be able to help us with those community engagement events. We are also holding things like Junior Gardening Club, Cuentos, which is where we have different authors come and speak to us and families at El Futuro and really keep students engaged, younger children engaged. And so the need for volunteers is and interns is always there, and we're super grateful to be able to also offer experience to people who come to El Futuro and help them learn more about mental health and being able to spread the word and keep growing that network and that the talking points through mental health and really being able to address or lower the stigma around mental health in our community.
Working with SECU has allowed me to have this cohort model because I'm with 20 plus other interns and I'm learning about their experiences in their internships. And then I would also just say being an SECU Public Fellow has allowed me to shine light a little bit more on this really awesome place and share my experiences. I would highly consider checking out one of these internships because there's so many different places over North Carolina and you're connecting with a lot of different people one-on-one. I think my favorite part has just been the community connection. So I think that's a big aspect of it that I would recommend.